On 6th of November, Karbi Students Association organized one-day leadership training program at HDP High School under Borjan constituency. As per the direction of Karbi Students Association Central Committee, KSA HDP branch and KSA Rongpi Rongthom sub-branch jointly organized one-day leadership training program at HDP High School, falling under Borjan constituency on 7 November. Theang Rongpi, president of KSA Rongpi Rongthom sub-branch committee, chaired the program, and the objective of the meeting were briefed by Roson Rongpi. Robin Teron, ex-president of KSA Central Committee, Moniram Teron, president of KSA Bokajang District Committee, Longbir Singh Tiso, publicity secretary, Waisong Rongpi, finance secretary, several eminent leaders of KSA attended the event. Moniram Teron, president of KSA Bokajang District Committee, while speaking to the student leaders, shared about the importance and basic characters of a promising leader. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Live.